Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to cut a shape in Photoshop. Now see this shape. Cut first of all pen tool. Click the pen tool. Right click on your mouse. Select the pen tool and hold Alt. Okay. Then again hold Alt. Okay. Apply the same formula. Okay. Then you cut use this only selected side for click layer mask or cut without selected. Then press go to back and select for outside, then create clipping mask. Now we can see this cut inside. Another way to cut shape, select selection tool, click and drag it, clipping mask or press Ctrl I. Fix size for rectangle, press Ctrl J for duplicate layer, hold Ctrl T, hold Shift, fix size, hold Ctrl, middle, hold Ctrl, press Ctrl I. Apply the same formula for this custom shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.